Hi everyone, welcome to my THOR Kitchen. Today, we're taking the potato and doing something different. Potatoes pave. Let's go. Potatoes pave is a scalloped potato that is baked, cut, and then fried. So we have our baking dish, and we have our parchment paper, and you're gonna kinda wanna measure and cut it like this so that it'll lay inside, and you want it to hang over. And we're gonna put a little cooking spray so it sticks. Okay, and then again, long ways. Just like that, and that will come in handy when we fill it. Next step, in your mixing bowl, we're gonna add, thing won't open. Now we're gonna take our mixing bowl and fill it with about a cup of heavy cream and salt and pepper. Just give it a mix. Okay, and the next step, we're going to trim our potatoes into squares and then slice them. And you can see it fits perfectly all the way to the edge. So now when we slice that and put it in the cream and then in the pan, it's perfect. So I'm setting my mandolin to a thin but still firm thickness for the potato. Give it a couple swipes, check it out. All right? And then into the cream. And then just make sure to get those, as you're going, coated in the cream, and then keep going. And then use the guard. You're mixing the potatoes up in the cream. Just be kind of gentle. You don't want to break them. Okay, next we're going to layer. Get a stick of butter, slice a bunch of thin slices, because as we layer, we're going to layer in butter. It's amazing, trust me. Now that we have our potatoes stacked in here, packed, ready to bake, we're gonna put them in the oven. 350 degrees for about an hour and 45 to 2 hours. Our potato pave is finished baking. Let's pull it out of the oven. Beautiful. Let this cool just a little bit, and we're gonna put some foil over it, and we're gonna weight it down. And you can use like a can of beans, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge for about 4 hours, so it gets nice and firm. Ta-da! Now let's give them a sear. Dressing these up with a little cauliflower and white cheddar sauce. Potatoes pave.